हाय हेलो वेलकम टू कार टॉक शो। आप सब लोगों का स्वागत है कार टॉक शो में। नया साल मुबारक आप सब लोगों को। और आज रीडिजाइन करने वाले हैं टाटा नेक्सॉन ईवी।
We chose the Tata Nexon EV because we wanted the car talks new year to have an electrifying start. So let's get started. The Nexon EV has a claimed range of 300 kilometers, but the owners say the number is a bit too optimistic as the realistic range for the Tata Nexon is around 200 kilometers, give or take. Also, the battery charges 0 to 100 in about 60 minutes.
टाटा नेक्सॉन में वैसे भी डिजाइनिंग तो ठीक है, लेकिन थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा दिया गया है डिजाइन। वो डिजाइन को मैं थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके रीडिजाइन करके मैं आपको बताऊंगा।
Let's get right into the video. The main things I'd like to change on the Nexon EV would be to simplify the vehicle a bit. I do not picture EVs with heavily crowded designs. I want it to be as minimal as aerodynamic as possible. So on the front, what I find disturbing is extra graphics which do not need to be there, put there just for the sake of the design. It heavily resembles the petrol version of the Nexon, which I'd like to change in this redesign. So what we'll be doing on the front is we'll be removing the extra graphics and straightening the lines on the car, making it more aerodynamic, making it look more minimal. And on the side we'll be leveling out the shoulder lines, and on the back it resembles too much of a face. So we'll be simplifying that, making it look more expensive. Let's begin. We begin by erasing the extra plastic cladding on the sides, and now on the front we'll be removing the extra grille graphics. And also we'll be moving on to the fog lamps. We'll be removing the extra plastic cladding around the fog lamps, giving it a more expensive look. Overall, we'll be removing the extra unnecessary plastics on the whole car. This also could have aerodynamic benefits, also improving the range of the car significantly. We are creating a new shoulder line for the car, erasing the extra chiseled lines. Even at this point, the car looks more expensive than what the Nexon EV is stock. Even at this point, the car looks more expensive than what the Nexon EV is stock. We'll be also changing the wheels on the side, giving it low profile tires.
देखिए शोल्डर लाइन स्ट्राइट किया गया है।
We gave it back the blue graphic which Tata has provided with the car. Now we'll be taking the bottom bumper inspiration from the Tesla Plaid. We are borrowing here from the best. Tesla, I find, is the epitome of modern EV design. This matched in perfectly with the existing Tata design. And now we move on to the sides, doing the same that we did to the front view.
और जो भी रीडिजाइनिंग करे हैं वो पूरा आप देखना है तो आखिरी तक देखिए।
We are adding some highlights to give it more of a depth look. Erasing the extra plastic lines on the back. Removing the plastic cladding on the sides. We are adding the same low profile tires that we added on the front. We weren't able to find the same color for these tires, but in the results of the redesign we'll be changing the color. We are lowering a car a little bit here. This would also have significant gains on the range of the car. On the back we chose the lights from the Mercedes E-Class probably.
Yes.
Mirroring the same thing onto the left side of the car here. On the back of the car we have simplified the bumper, removed the extra graphics which we didn't really like, widened the mirror on the back. Also changing the rear lights has given the car a really good look, which I think the factory tail lights have failed to achieve. Here's the before and after for today's redesign. The front bumper, the sides, the rear. Simplified the look of the car, gave it a minimal look, a futuristic look.
ये देखिए साइड पोज में बिफोर और आफ्टर।
The design of the car looks way more expensive in my opinion.
और यहाँ पे देखिए बिफोर एंड आफ्टर का व्यू।
Hope you liked today's video, guys. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about our redesign of the Nexon EV. We'll meet you next week with another great video. Until then, peace out.
Goodbye.